by and take a look at the 2025 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.